She's a little bit scary.
Who's scary?
The matchmaker. She don't pay makeup. Mama's not too scary. Oh no. What happened? What happened to Mulan? Let's support the team. Mulan's better team. What's Mulan doing? She's sad now. The map make her sad. She can bring honor to her family. I never perfect bride. Where Mushu go?
He's coming.
She like put makeup off. The hunter coming. I like them. She cut her hair. Mulan is pink. She's gone now. She's gone.
Who's gone?
Mulan's gone.
Where did she go?
She go. I don't know.